Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of April 14th through 20th, Easter weekend, and I am decorating with some stickers from the Giving Girl. This is from the Fluttering Fields collection, so I'm going to be using Fluttering Fields sheet 14 and then some of her watercolor washes. But I also want to show you some of the rest of the stickers in this collection that she sent me. So oh, wow, I missed those. Okay, so first, these larger sheets, you have the damask pattern. So this is it just one big, yeah, it's one big sticker sheet that you can basically, if you wanted to, just put it straight over your Hobonichi weeks like that. And then you have the letters and the letterpress stamps. Ooh, I might actually add that to what I'm using today. And then you have the watercolor washes. And then you have all these individual sheets. The Fields 13, the Fluttering Fields 2 with the dates, and just so many beautiful sheets of stickers here. Ooh, I like that outfit. But I love the combination of the purple and the green and the browns in here. So really lovely collection that I purchased during her Twinkle Tuesday, where basically all of the sticker sheets are $2 US. All right, so let's get my ruler here and draw out the grid. Oh, and normally before I draw out the grid, I make sure that the bottom here is or has whiteout or is all covered, and I will do that next. So I split my Hobonichi weeks into 3 columns for my schedule, my to-do list, and then the weather. And where is my, here we go. And then I'm going to take this wiper cream tape. This is 5mm. I purchased this from Paper Plus Cloth, but you can also purchase this off of Amazon. Whoops. And I like it because it is cream colored. So it's cream out, not white out. I know, corny. But it matches the cream color of the Hobonichi Weeks paper. And then I don't have to worry about having white out that just looks, that really stands out on this paper. Okay, so I kind of want to put stuff at the bottom, but I also think my best bet is to place some of these watercolor washes down at the bottom because they're so pretty. Just like so. Then I think I'll do one more. Oops. Knocking over my pen. Let's use this brown one. If my nails can lift that off. And then I'm going to add a butterfly. Let's do this one. And oh, I like that. Okay, I'm going to leave that as is. And then last week I placed the big sticker here and then, or sorry, big sticker here and then the big sticker here. I'm wondering if I place this in the middle, will it all fit? But I'm also thinking that I'm going to use a couple of these stickers in the back here where I do little highlights of the day. What do I want to do? Maybe first thing I'm going to do is actually write in, for example, all of my little habit trackers here, and then I will put in my stickers. Okay, so I'm just going to put down some blotting paper, and the first tracker that I'm going to put down here in the purple is going to be my sleep tracker. How did I do it last week? Did I do the trackers in black? I did. And then I filled them out using my pens, my colored ones with the colored ink. So first one, blotting paper, sleep, where I keep track of my sleep score as I get it from my Fitbit. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, I have to say the days of the week to myself, because if I don't, I will mess it up. Okay, then the next one will be, oh, I should get a green. Let's find a green one. The closest one I could find is this Zig clean color dot marker, and probably not the best way that I could do it, but that's okay. And this is where I'm going to list my workouts. And I will write them using my Esterbrook Esty in Corky Leaf. And this has Robert Oster hemp. And oh, lovely. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Now that those are down, then I think I could put down one of these stickers. Oh yeah, and then there's still plenty of room for habits and tasks here. So let's put, or, well, you know what? Don't second guess yourself. Just put it down. Whoops. Okay. Oh, I smudged it. Darn. Oh well. Yeah, smudging happens. I feel like that should be a sticker. And I feel like that sticker is already out there somewhere. Pretty. Okay. Then I feel like I'm going to do all the decoration just in the middle here. So I'm going to add, ooh, this. Before I do that, maybe let's do one of these. I love that all these stickers from the Giving Girl just go well together. Ah, they won't stick on my hands. Where are my tweezers? Here we go. Let's place that right here as best I can. Then place this here. Actually, one more thing I'm going to put on top is another one of these watercolor washes, probably one of the smaller ones, like so. Then this on top. Then another, let's see, but I still want to use these in my other spread. So I'm thinking I'm going to put one small thing here. Maybe not the bubble tea, but maybe just this. Oops. Okay. Then we'll see how much room I have left still down here. So let's take this one for habits. And then write the word habits. And I will do vitamins, audiobook, nighttime routine, and no stationary spend. I'm not on a no spend per se, but I like to keep track of how many days I can go without spending any money. Then lastly, down here, I will put tasks. And I think the big task for me this week, well, is preparing Easter dinner. And then Sunday, once that is done, I will work on taxes. Oh, fun, because taxes are due on April 30th. All right, so now that all of that is done, I think I can add little stickers everywhere. Oh, I didn't even do my schedule yet. Okay. So let's do that and add some more of these little stickers around just to use up what I have on my sticker sheet. And then I'll write in my schedule. Oh, Friday is off. We have Friday off. Okay. And then one last one here. Okay. So then going into my schedule. Oh, sorry. Okay. Where's my blotting paper? I feel like I'm a mess right now. But isn't that the theme of every plan with me? Okay. So work on Monday. The usual. And same on Tuesday. Same Wednesday. Thursday is the day that is different because I have Weight Watchers after at 5:30. And then Good Friday. And then no swimming for Henry. And I still need to confirm if he has badminton on the Sunday. So H, no swimming. Okay. Then adding in here, this is my Walltown Watts in the Glinda model, 11 o'clock on Good Friday. Family, fish, and chips. This has Pilot Iroshizuku Syun Gyo. Oh, so excited. Great combo. Okay, so now writing in my to-do lists for each day. Monday, meal plan. Gosh, this is a juicy FINIB. Order groceries. I'm also starting to think about in a couple of weeks, well, it'll be 3 weeks today that I'll be in Chicago, and I'm filming this on Saturday. So I have about really 2.5 weeks to get myself prepped for that. Anyway, and then Tuesday, put out garbage. Wednesday, Thursday. Thursdays pick up groceries. And then cleaning on Saturday. So we have the usual bathrooms and vacuum and the door handles and light switches, which Henry does, windows. And then on Sunday, I will do the bed linens and I will be doing taxes. Fun. All right, then weather. What is my weather going to be like? Okay, starting Monday, we have cloudy. Tuesday's also cloudy. Wednesday is sun and cloud. So is Thursday, and so it's Friday. So all 3 of those days are sun and cloud. And then Saturday and Sunday are both cloudy. Woo. Okay, then for the actual temperature, and I know my friend Alex has said that she finds these really interesting, so thank you. The high on Monday is 14 with a low of 0. Which reminds me, like, I haven't scheduled when I'm going to switch over to my summer tires because I'm always afraid that as soon as I switch over to my summer tires, it's going to snow, which is not an unreasonable fear here in Canada. Thursday, the high is 8. The low is -1. Friday, the high is 15. The low is -1. Crazy. Saturday, the high is 18. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's for Thanksgiving, for Easter. Did I say Thanksgiving? It's Easter. I'm in charge of Easter dinner. And then Sunday, oh, that'll be perfect weather for barbecuing. Okay, so Sunday, 11 degrees Celsius with a low of 5. Okay. All right. Oh, you know what? There's still some stickers that I didn't use out of that sheet, but that's okay because I will be using them in the back of my planner where I write my day-to-day highlights. I kind of want to keep this simple, although I could put something here to add a little bit more. I think what I can do, let's put that, or put one of these. Okay, what I think I'll do is I'll take one of these watercolor washes, place them here, then place one of these letterpress stamps. I think the circle one would be perfect right on top. Pen's in the way. Okay, lovely. Okay, all right, that is it for me. Oh, nice to have that all done, ready to go. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.